Do you know how long it takes to make a new behavior stick? 66 days according to scientists. Corporate classroom trainings aim to reach behavior change within 2 or 3 days, often without any measurable impact. At Practify, our experts created a powerful solution to bridge this gap between desires and reality. A gamified learning platform for measurable business results. Practify's unique methodology integrates different theories and findings to help unlock the full potential of learners. The easy-to-use and simplified platform is based on 3 pillars. The first one is inspiring continuous on-the-job practice through bite-sized learning. At Practify, you can set up small tasks, group them into challenges, and get them published automatically. These mini-sessions encourage participants to implement new knowledge into their daily work to help the new behavior stick. The second pillar is creating engagement for learning. We are wired to learn through games. Rewards and surprises evoke natural curiosity and learning spirit. Practify offers a toolkit for gamification to boost engagement and functions as a social platform where participants explore and experiment together. The third pillar is measuring the results. Statistics provide you qualitative and quantitative insight into the learning process. You can check the progress of individuals and groups in real time. With our innovative solution, you can boost the effectiveness of your training program, get real business results, and build a better long-term cooperation with your clients based on the proven visible impact. Make everybody passionate for learning. Practify your training program to get outstanding results.